Hey, so if Audacity stopped working after an update, yeah, like it won't open, crashes, or features are broken, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. After updates, a simple restart often fixes broken startup issues. Next, right-click Audacity and run it as administrator. Updates can reset permissions sometimes. Now, make sure your microphone and speakers are still selected correctly. Updates often reset device settings. Yeah, corrupted settings after an update can break Audacity. Resetting preferences can fix it fast. Now, outdated drivers may not match the new version. Updating them can restore full functionality. Yeah, some plugins may stop working after an update and crash Audacity. Try disabling them. Now, if audio import or export breaks, reinstall FFmpeg. Updates sometimes break codec support. Yeah, if nothing works, reinstall Audacity completely. This fixes broken update files and restores default settings. If the new version still has issues, you can roll back to an older stable version of Audacity. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity not working after an update. Most of the time, it's settings reset, driver mismatch, or plugin conflicts. Try these steps and everything should work again. Thanks for watching.